In this demonstration, we are going to cover the connectivity options for the P&L series. When connecting to the P&L series, you can connect using a direct connection or a wireless connection. For direct connection options, the display comes with VGA, DisplayPort, and 2 HDMI inputs. To connect wirelessly, select the wireless display option. On your PC, select the Windows key and P key at the same time. Select Connect to a wireless display. The display will show the connection name for you to select. Select the correct name out of your connection options. The display will ask you to accept the invitation to connect. Select Accept. The display will connect and show whatever is on your PC directly to the display. Be sure to select Allow Input from a keyboard or mouse connected to this display if you want to have touchback from the AQUOS board back to the connected PC.